Hello everyone. Hello grade 1 students. This is teacher Harriet and welcome to our online class. We are going to use your mathematics book targeting 1A color pink book. Color pink book. So our subject is math and our topic for today is number bonds. Number bonds. So the first, let's read first your vocabulary for today. Okay, so number one is number bond. Number bond. Number two, we have whole. Whole. Number three, we have part. Part. Number four, make. Make. Number five, all together. All together. All together. Okay, so I wrote here some pasatay words. I hope this will help you understand our vocabulary for today. Okay, so number one, number bonds. Number two, whole. Number three, part. Number four, make. And number five, all together. Okay, so let's start with our lesson for today, number bonds. Okay, so what is a number bond? Number bond, I'm going to read it for you. You listen ha, okay? So, number bond are pair of numbers that can be added together to make another number. Okay, so in this case, we are going to look for a number. So we are going to we're going to half the number. So if you add them together, we can make another number. Okay, so let's take a look at this example. From box A, we have here number 3 and 4. Okay, so if we add these two numbers, we will get another number. Another number. Okay, so if you add 3 and 4, 3 and 4 is 7. Okay, so if you add these two numbers, 3 and 4, they make another number. This one, another number which is 7. 7. Naka, okay? This is in box A. Okay, box A. Let's go to box B. Okay. In box B, we have here 5. Oh, the 5 number is lonely. Okay, so the 5 number is a whole number. So we are going to look for a number that if you add them together, they will make number 5. Okay, so let's look for a number that if you put them together, if you add them together, they will make 5. Okay, so let's guess a number. Let's put 3 there. Okay, 3. Okay, so what number we can add to 3 to make 5? Okay, so if we add 3 to another number, we will make number 5. So what number could that be? That number is 2. Okay, so if you add 3 and 2, you will make 5. Okay? Okay, so if you add 3 and 2, you will make 5 na ka. Okay? Kajay did you understand number bonds? Okay, a pair of number that if you add together, they will make another number. Naka, okay? So let's take a look at example. Let's go to your book, page 6. Page 26, I'm sorry. Let's go to your book, page 26. Okay? So in this part, let's try to answer this one. Making number bonds. Okay, we have here 5 mangoes. So we are going to look for a number that if you add them together, they will make 5 mangoes. Okay, or they will make 5 number. Okay, so here we separate 2 mangoes, which is this one, and we separate the green mangoes, which is here. So if you put them together, if you add them together, they will make 5 naka. Okay? So let's try in number. Whole, we have here whole 5. 5. And then we are going to look for a number that if you add them together, if you put them together, they will make 5. Okay? Example, we have here 2. Okay, what number we can add to number 2 to make 5? Okay, so 2. We're going to add 2 plus 3. Okay, so if you add 2 plus 3, they will make 5, diba? So you're going to write 3 in this part, this one. Okay? Next, number 2. We have here 4 apples, red, and 3 apples, green. So, we want to make another number. So, we are going to add these 4 apples and these 3 apples. If you add them together, they will make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you will get 7 apples all together. Okay, if you put them together, you call that all together naka. All naka. Okay, so if we put in numbers, we're going to write 4 there. And then we're going to write 3 in this part. Okay, so that's first and second part. And then if you put them together, if you add them, you will make 7. Okay, so you will make another number as 7. Okay, so that's how we make number bonds. How's am I? I hope you understand this part. Okay, so don't worry, we still have a lot of examples naka, okay? We have here, uh, okay, test 1. What numbers make 4? Okay, so we are going to look for numbers that if you add them together, they will make 4. Okay, so let's try this one. We have here letter A. Okay, letter A, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4 cubes. Okay, so we've divided this 4 cubes into 1 here. That if you add 1 to 3, okay, add 1 and 3, they will make 4. Okay? Okay, let's write in this part. Okay, we have here 1. You write it first, 1, and then the next part will be 3. That if you add 1 and 3, you will make 4. Naka 1 and 3 make 4. Okay, so how about this one? We have here 4 again, 4. Okay, write 4 first. And then you're going to look for a number that if you add them together, if you plus them together, they will make 4. Okay, so we have here 3 cube and 1 cube. So if we write it in numbers here, first you need to write first the number 3 and then write 1 to make 4. So if you add 3 and 4, you will make 3 and 1, you will make 4. Okay? So if you add 3 and 1, you will make 4. Kazemai? Next, we have here 4 cubes again. So if we have this one, or if we part them together, we part them by 2. 2 here and 2 here. So if you write there 2 and 2 make 4. Okay, so we'll say there 2 and 2 make 4. So if you add 2 and 2, 2 plus 2 is 4. Naka. Okay? So that's how you part numbers. Next, what number make 5? Use the cubes to show the parts. Okay, so I did not put some cubes here, but rather I wrote some numbers. Okay, so we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cubes. So we're going to look for a number that if you add them together, they will get 5. Okay, so we have here 2. Okay, we will put here 2 cubes. 1, 2. We're going to draw here 2 cubes. 1, 2 cubes. And then we finished this already. So we're going to go here. We're going to draw 1, 2, 3 cubes. Okay, so you're going to write there 3. Instead, I wrote 3, but you're going to draw 3 cubes. Okay, so if you add 2 and 3, 2 plus 3 is 5. Okay? Naka. This one. Next, okay, let's go to page 29. It says there, complete the number bond and fill in the boxes. Okay, so first you need to count the dots or the picture and then you write the number in the box. Okay, so you can write it in bonds. Okay, so the first is this one. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So write 5 there. And then we have here 1. Okay, so you write 1 there. 1. And then we have here 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so you're going to write 4 in this box. Okay? So how do we bond them? Okay, we write it here. So 5, what number make 5? Okay, we have here 1 and 4. So if you add 1 and 4, you will get 5. 4 plus 1 or 1 plus 4 is 5. Okay, Mai? Next, letter B. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7. You right there. And then in this first circle, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are going to write 4 in the first box. And then the next one, 1, 2, 3. We're going to write it in the next box. And then this one, you are going to write this one, the whole number. Write 7 there. So how do we bond them? Let's do it like this. You're going to write 4 in the circle, in the first circle, and write 3 in the second circle. So if you add 4 plus 3, they will get, or they will make 7. Okay, so the answers are already here na ka. Okay? Next, circle. Okay, let's read. Circle groups of objects to show the parts of each number bonds. Okay, so we're going to divide these pictures based on this bonds. Okay, so we have here 6 and 2. 6 in 2, you make 8. Okay, so first, we're going to circle the part of 6. Okay, we're going to count 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so you're going to circle. Okay, and then next one, we're going to circle this next number. Okay, we have here 1, 2 ball. Okay, so we're going to circle. Okay? I hope you're getting along. If you're I hope you're following along. Okay, so next letter B. 9. Okay, so if you add 5 and 4, you will make 9. Okay, so we're going to circle this first. 4. We're going to count 4 clips. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to circle them. And then we're going to circle 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, there you go. Okay, so if you add them together, if you put them together, what will you get? What number will you get? We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, this one, 9. Okay, grade 1. Next. Okay, write the missing numbers. Okay, so write the missing numbers. So what are you going to do there? I want you to write the answers. Okay, so first here we're going to count the ice popsicle, strawberry popsicles. Okay, so we have here 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here you write it here. Okay, there you go. Number 4 here. And then next we have here 1, 2. So you write it there. And we have here 1, 2. So you write it there. So the answer is 2. So if you add 2 plus 2 is 4. If you add 2 and 2, you'll get 4. Okay? Next, look at each picture, then fill in the numbers. Okay. Look at the picture, then fill in the numbers. So we're going to count the pink flower. We have here 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you're going to write number 4 in the first box. And then we are going to count the blue flower. We have here 1, 2 flowers. So you're going to write number 2 in the second box. There you go. Okay, so we're going to add them together. So there are blank flowers all together. So if you add them together, we will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 flowers all together. So how do we write them in bonds? We're going to write the first circle 4, and this one will you write number 2 here, and the last one will be 6. So if you add 4 and 2, you will get 6. Okay? Did you get it? Okay, let's move on to test 3. What numbers make 6? Draw the missing dots. Complete the number bond. Okay, so in this part, it says there, draw the missing dots. Okay, so you're going to draw here okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So he drew here 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so if you add 4 to what number that will make 6? Okay, what number you're going to add to 4 dots to make 6 dots? Okay, you're going to draw 2 dots. 1, 2. Okay, so I wrote there 2 Okay, so next, we're going to write here 2 also. And then letter B, we're going to use here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, what number you add to 3 to make 6 dots? Okay, you're going to draw how many dots? You're going to draw 3 dots. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so there are 3 there. I wrote there 3. So next one, we are going to write 3 in this part. Okay, so if you add 3 and 3, 3 plus 3 is 6 Okay? Okay, test 4. Look at the number of cubes in each parts, then complete the number bonds of 7. Okay, so we're going to look for numbers that make 7. Okay, so we have here 1, 2, she wrote there 2, and then let's count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you're going to write 5 there. And then you separate them together. This one you write 2 here, and this one you write 5 here. Okay? So 2 and 5 make 7. Okay, so in English word, if we say and, meaning that's a plus, okay? You're going to add them. Okay? 2 and 5 make 7. Naka. Okay, the next one we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you're going to write 5 there. So 5 plus 7 make 5 plus 2 makes 7. So you're going to write there 5 and 2 make 7. Okay, so if you add 5 and 7, they will make 5 and 2, they will make 7. I'm sorry, okay? So, and again, and is plus, make is equals, or equal na. Okay, next one, letter B. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so you're going to write number 3 in the first circle. And you're going to write 1, 2, 3, 4 in the next circle. So if you add them together, 3 plus 4, let's count them together, all together, this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you are going to write 7 on the third circle. So if we separate them together, write 3 here and write 4 there. Okay, so let's try. 3 and 4 make 7. If you add 3 and 4, they will make 7 naka. Okay? Next one, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to write 4 on the first circle and 1, 2, 3. You're going to write 3 on the second circle. So if you put them together, let's add them together. This one, we will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Naka. Okay, so separate them again. You write 4 here and write 3 here. Okay, so that's how you do your number bond. Okay, so homework page 32, this one. This will be your homework. I hope you have understand our lesson for today. So please answer your homework page 32 of your book. Naka. Okay, so that is for today. See you again next time, grade 1. Goodbye. I hope you could join us on our online class. See you again. Bye bye.